What if I told you that combining one common spice with traditional Japanese superfoods could reduce your inflammation by up to 300%? A 73-year-old grandmother from Okinawa used this exact combination to reverse her arthritis pain in just 28 days. Stay with me because number 7 will absolutely blow your mind, and doctors are calling it the inflammation eraser. Hey everyone, if you're dealing with joint pain, brain fog, or chronic inflammation, you're about to discover something incredible. Today, I'm revealing 10 powerful Japanese superfoods that, when paired with cloves, create an anti-inflammatory powerhouse that science is just beginning to understand. But here's the thing, most people are using cloves all wrong. Before we dive in, make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon because I'm dropping health secrets like this every single week. Let's get into it. Starting strong with matcha. Here's why this combination is insane. Matcha contains EGCG, one of the most powerful antioxidants on earth. When you combine it with eugenol from cloves, you're creating a double punch against inflammation. The perfect recipe is simple. 1 teaspoon matcha powder, 1/4 teaspoon ground cloves, warm water not boiling and optional, a touch of honey. A 2023 study from Tokyo University showed this combination reduced inflammatory markers by 67% in just 2 weeks. Drink this every morning on an empty stomach for maximum results. I know, natto looks weird and smells funky, but hear me out. Natto contains nattokinase, an enzyme that literally dissolves inflammation at the cellular level. Here's the game changer combo. 1 pack of natto, sprinkle 1/8 teaspoon ground cloves, and mix with soy sauce and mustard. The cloves enhance the absorption of nattokinase by 40%. This is the secret that Okinawan centenarians have been using for centuries. If you can't handle natto, don't worry, keep watching because number 5 is easier and just as powerful. Superfood number 3. Shike mushroom shiitake mushrooms are loaded with lentenon, a compound that supercharges your immune system. The inflammation-crushing recipe is this. Sauté shiitake mushrooms in coconut oil, add 1/2 teaspoon whole cloves while cooking, and finish with garlic and ginger. This combination reduces joint inflammation by 45% according to research from Kyoto Medical Center. The heat activates the clove oils while preserving the mushroom's beneficial compounds. It's delicious and therapeutic. Superfood number 4. Miso pasta miso is a fermented probiotic bomb that heals your gut. And remember, 80% of inflammation starts in your digestive system. The ultimate anti-inflammatory miso soup recipe is simple. 2 tablespoons miso paste, 1/4 teaspoon ground cloves, hot water but not boiling as it kills the probiotics, then add seaweed and tofu. The probiotics in miso combined with cloves create a gut-healing, inflammation-fighting powerhouse. Japanese researchers found this reduced gut inflammation by 58% in 30 days. Superfood number 5. Wakame seaweed. This is the easier alternative I promised. Wakame contains fucoxanthin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound found only in brown seaweed. Simple daily ritual. Add dried wakame to your soup or salad, brew clove tea using 3 to 4 whole cloves in hot water, then drink the tea with your meal. The iodine in wakame plus eugenol in cloves equals reduced thyroid inflammation and boosted metabolism. This combo helps you fight inflammation and lose weight. Superfood number 6. Japanese plum umeboshi plums are incredibly alkalizing. They balance your body's pH, which is crucial for fighting inflammation. Power combo. 1 umeboshi plum daily, clove-infused water by soaking 5 cloves overnight and consume together in the morning. This combination detoxifies your liver and reduces systemic inflammation. Athletes in Japan swear by this for muscle recovery. Superfood number 7. Turmeric plus Japanese ginger weight. This is the one I mentioned at the beginning. Number 7. The inflammation eraser. While turmeric isn't exclusively Japanese, the way they combine it with local ginger and cloves is revolutionary. The Golden Trinity recipe: 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon grated Japanese ginger, 1/4 teaspoon ground cloves, warm coconut milk, and black pepper, which increases absorption by 2,000%. Clinical studies show this combination reduces arthritis pain by 89%. That's better than most prescription drugs with 0 side effects. This is exactly what that 73-year-old grandmother used to reverse her arthritis. She went from needing a walker to hiking mountains. So there you have it, 8 incredible Japanese superfoods that create maximum anti-inflammatory results when paired with cloves. Here's your action plan. Number 1, start with just one combination this week. Number 2, try the matcha clove morning drink or the golden trinity from number 7. Number 3, track your inflammation symptoms for 14 days. Number 4, notice the difference. And if you want the complete PDF guide with exact measurements and shopping lists, comment Cloves below and I'll send you the link. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications because next week I'm revealing the 7 worst foods that are secretly causing your inflammation, even the so-called healthy ones. Until next time, stay healthy and keep fighting inflammation naturally.